can get your link from there and can do apply and can get the opportunity to get higher from there. So we are continuing the like 10 minutes a day strategy for getting that Azure certification. So you can continue our on each session for this Azure 900 certification, and you can like grab your certification in your just 10 days of practice. So okay, let's continue on the questions directly. So the very first we have is you have given that instructions to answer drag the appropriate cloud model from the column on the left to its advantage on the right. So you have given the advantage on the right and you have that a cloud model in your left side. So the first one is which is a cloud model that no required exponential uh, capital expenditure. So it's only public cloud that doesn't require any capital expenditure. Private cloud doesn't provide completely control over security. Hybrid cloud provides a choice to use on-premises or cloud-based resources. Next, you have some statement and you need to mark them as yes or no. The very first is a company has extended a private cloud by adding its own physical server to the public cloud. So it's no only. To build a hybrid cloud, you must deploy resources to public cloud. Yes. A private cloud must be disconnected from the internet. No, it cannot. Another, you have 50 virtual machine hosted on premises and 50 virtual machine hosted in Azure. The on premises virtual machine and the Azure virtual machine connects to each other. So which type of cloud model is this? So it will be hybrid type of cloud model only. Again, you have these statement and you need to mark these as yes or no. The first one is a platform as a service solution that hosts web apps in Azure provides full controls over operating system that hosts applications. No. A platform as a service solution that hosts web apps in Azure can be provided with additional memory by changing the pricing tier. Yes. A platform as a service solution that hosts web apps in Azure can be configured to automatically scale the number of instances based on demand. Yeah, it's true. Yes. Note. So in this, your company is migrating to Azure, and their migration plan states that only platform as a service solution must be used in Azure. So you need to deploy an Azure environment that meets the company migration plan. Solution you have recommended is to create Azure virtual machine, Azure SQL database, and Azure storage accounts. Will this meet the goal? So no, because Azure virtual machines are infrastructure as a service. Okay, again, in this scenario, a company plans to deploy several custom application to Azure. The application provides invoicing services to the customer company. Each application will have several prerequisite application and server install. You recommended a cloud deployment solution for the all application. What should you recommend? As your application required customized things, so you need to go with the infrastructure as a service only. Again, you have a statement and you need to mark them as yes or no. Building a data center infrastructure is an example of operational expenditure cost. No. Monthly salary for technical personnel are an example of operational expenditure cost. Yes. Leasing software is an example of operational expenditure. Yeah. Yes. Azure Cosmos DB is an example of which type of offering. So is a platform as a service type of offering. Statement we have and we need to mark them as yes or no. With software as a service, you must apply software updates. No. With infrastructure as a service, you must install the software that you want to use. Yes. Azure Backup is example of platform as a service. Yes. You can create resource group inside of another resource group. No. An Azure virtual machine can be multiple resource group. No. A resource group can contain resources from multiple Azure regions. Yes. Okay, so we are at that hiring alert section. Profile we have to discuss is analyst data science. Experience they have expected is 0 to 3 years only, means freshers are also allowed to apply there. Eligibility is masters of degree in machine learning or computer science, and MBA as well are eligible to apply. Skill sets they have asked for that Python, R, Java, AI and machine learning, and artificial intelligence as well. Expected wages, officially they have not disclosed this, but it going to be vary between 12 to 17 LP only. Yeah, so don't forget to check our other content as well. Our each content has that hiring alert section, so you can go there and check that. And yeah, for the subscribe us for getting all the upcoming updates and notification as well.